I have to rave about this waterproof surge protector power strip. I've been using it for a few months and I'm really impressed with its performance. The power strip is also very versatile. It has 8 wide-spaced AC outlets and 2 USB and 2 USB-C ports, so I can plug in all of my devices at once. The AC outlets are also waterproof, so I can use the power strip outside without worrying about it getting wet. This is especially great for camping trips. The power strip is incredibly well made. It's made of fireproof material and has a built-in circuit breaker that automatically shuts off when overloaded, preventing any overheat caused fire. The swivel extension cord is also very durable. Do you see how long this cord is? 6 feet to be exact. Lastly, I really appreciate the power strip's safety features. The electric shockproof design means that only a US standard plug can turn on the circuit, so my children and pets are safe from accidental electrocution. The surge protector also protects my devices from power surges, which is a huge peace of mind.